In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check who's monitoring your WhatsApp chats. Firstly, check linked devices on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap linked devices and you will see a list of all the active sessions. If you don't recognize a device or location, tap it, then click log out immediately. Secondly, try sign in of being tracked or by spy monitoring apps like phone overheating, sudden spike of data usage, or lag or slowdowns. If you notice these constantly, check your device for unfamiliar apps or use a trusted antivirus scanner. To confirm no one has tampered your WhatsApp account, open your WhatsApp settings, then tap the three dots menu, then go to settings. Review two-step verification, change your number and your privacy settings. Make sure they haven't been altered. So, also, it's important to enable two-step verification in WhatsApp under settings, then account. Regularly check Google Protect or iPhone Analytics for suspicious activity. And that's it, guys. As simple as that.